Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 6390 50 feet 50 amp generator cord is a standout accessory for anyone utilizing a generator to power their home or worksite. With its robust construction and thoughtful design, this cord provides both reliability and efficiency in transferring power safely. First and foremost, the length of the cord, 50 feet, strikes an excellent balance between reach and manageability. Many users will appreciate the flexibility to position their generator at a safe distance from the building, reducing the risk of carbon monoxide exposure while also preventing any potential damage to property. This cord is rated for 50 amps, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications, delivering the power needed for larger appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, and sump pumps. The cord's design features a durable rubber jacket that not only withstands wear and tear but also provides protection against moisture and UV rays, which is essential for outdoor use. The heavy-duty construction ensures that it maintains its integrity even under extreme weather conditions. Additionally, the connectors are well designed with a locking mechanism that secures the connection, minimizing the risk of accidental disconnection, which can be a common issue with lesser quality cords. One of the highlights of the Generac 6390 is its flexibility, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage. Unlike some stiffer competitors, this cord bends easily without kinking, making it user-friendly. Furthermore, the bright yellow color enhances visibility, which is particularly useful in low-light conditions or when used outdoors. In terms of performance, users report a consistent and stable power supply with minimal voltage drop, which is critical when running sensitive electronics. This reliability bolsters confidence in the generator setup, especially during power outages or while on job sites. Overall, the Generac 6390 50 feet 50 amp generator cord is an essential investment for anyone who relies on portable power. Its durability, flexibility, and secure connections make it a top choice, offering peace of mind and efficiency for all your power needs.